If you want to single car animation, let's get started. Welcome to my channel ArcViz. So guys, here we will go through one car and a road like this, a car which has a driver and four wheels separately like this. We need to do like this for car animation. In this video we are talking about car craft director studio. So in this road we are driving this car. How it is work, you will see. Car craft director, here we will click on car craft director studio utility and press OK. This is your car craft director studio menu, and here we click on this car option, hold and click on four wheel free option. This is your demo car. So you need to set this demo car to your actual car. This is the whole option. We need to set this demo car to your actual car, the wheels to the wheels, body to the body, and lastly set a plane, and the back arrow are set to this plane. So this we will firstly we align this car to the road like this, align the car to this road. Okay, and then like this, and select the car, only car body and the four wheels to this demo car body to demo wheels, not the driver. We will link the driver to the car body. Select the demo car and place it to main car, and we need to rescale the demo car. So see this operation, this is more important, so you need to see complete process throughout. So firstly the demo wheels we are detaching like this. Detach the four wheels of the demo car and place and scale the complete car, to our main car. Here we need to run a script. Okay, and here the wheel mesh and wheel body, car body, and scale it to align the cars to car wheels to wheel. We need to do this. This is most important thing. If you do not do this, you cannot get satisfactory results. So you need to do this like this, point to point match like this, you can see, and isolate this, and placing the car wheel are aligned to this wheel like this, and see, select both of the wheel, and similarly this side, and select both of the wheel and go to one side and move it like this you can see both side has same space like this. Okay, this need to more precious like this. Total animation are depending on this, so you need to do it more careful. And okay, guys, subscribe my channel, share my video to get this type of interesting videos, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload any videos. So guys, this is the way. That's how we align the wheel to wheel, the front wheels. You can see now the body. Place here the body and rescale it. Placing here and rescale it, and when the body is rescaling, keep in things mind that the two wheel position need to align like this. The two wheel positions, front and rear wheel positions, need to aligned. Okay, you need to align this like you can see. Yes, and from front the body, see both sides are same aligned. We need to place it like this. Okay, okay, now that's fine. Okay, now we need to attach the proxy wheel to proxy body like this. Proxy wheel to proxy body. Yes, the fourth proxy wheel to proxy body like this. Simple option, but we need to follow this order. Okay, you can see you move the proxy body. Yes, the wheels are linked. Okay, Control Z. Okay, okay, nice. And now the main wheel to proxy wheel. Link the main wheel to proxy wheel like this. Simply main wheel to proxy wheel like this. Okay, yeah, now move the proxy body and see proxy wheel and main wheels are aligned. Okay, now the proxy body to main body, main body to proxy body, car body to proxy car body. Okay, one thing, body are moving down. Okay, for this we untouch and place the body higher above, like this is some glitch you in animation is happening. Okay, you can see if we are moving proxy body, moving the whole car like this. Okay, the attaching are done. Now this arrow, placing this arrow to the road like this, the road surface, and we need to place a plane aligned to road. If the plane is okay, firstly in same order we need to minus 25 to 200, and now place a plane like this. If the plane is linear, so car moving in a plane. If the plane has some undulation, so car moving in that alignment. So if we need to moving car in a undulation ground, so this we need to make the undulation this plane. So in basis of this plane the car are moving, and we link this plane to that horizon, that gravity arrow, that the bigger red arrow, that one we are attaching it like this and make it unrenderable. Okay, this plane, and make the link the plane to the arrow like this, link it the arrow to this plane. Okay, now if the arrow are moving, plane not moving. If the plane is moving, arrow also moving, so the card are moving on this plane. Okay, and the car is starting from here, and I set it minus 25 keyframe. Align this car. Okay, link the driver to car body first. Open car director studio. And off the proxy. Okay, you can do this by clicking off that proxy and link the driver to the car body. Okay, nice. And okay, and now place the car to a position like this, placing it and placing the keyframe at minus 25. So the car normally starting and click here to operate from keyboard, and now click on record and pressing the up down arrow, right left arrow from keyboard to track this car like this, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, like this for turning, and press escape to stop. Okay, see, the car's wheel are moving on the road. See, the car wheel moving on the road plane. See, that's why we align that plane to this road and align the arrow, link the arrow to the plane. That's why. Okay, nice. But go to camera. But I'm not satisfied with this simulation. We are making one more simulation like this. Simply click record and placing it -25, click record and press your up arrow, right arrow, left arrow. What do you want? If you pressing according to your animation. Yes, like this. Okay, nice. Fine. Press escape. Okay, nice. Go to camera and start. Yes, you can see the cars are starting from -25 to 0 in a slowly, but after 0 the cars gain its original acceleration. So you can see why we are getting some buffer from both side, from 0 side and from 100 side also. Okay, click on resimulation. Okay, let's click on this button, resimulation. So we resimulating, so we record that simulation and make the start time 0 to 100, 0 to 150 for your animation, like this. Okay, like this you can extend it 100 to 150. So guys, kindly like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you.